I didn't do my countdown yet. Come back. Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Grace. Welcome to the No Bra Zone.
That's pretty good. Hang on. Take two. I want to welcome you to the No Bra Zone, okay?
Hi.
1, 2.
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Grace. I want to welcome you to the No Bra Zone.
Okay, all right. Okay, now take 3. Come on back here. Do it, but try not to look at the words because you need to look up at the people, okay?
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Grace. Welcome.
I want to welcome you. Come on, one more time. Take 4.
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Grace. Welcome you to the No Bra Zone.
Are you good with that, or you want to try one more time?
One more time.
Okay. Take 5.
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Grace.
Start over.
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Grace. I want to welcome you to the No Bra Zone.
We're glad you're here.
We're glad.
We are glad that you are here. My helper for the day. Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You're way up there, and I'm way down here. We are working today on an 18 by 24 gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft, don't you know? And this is kind of a test piece for a large wall that I have in my bedroom where I want to go about 4 times bigger. So I figured I would do a nice little test piece. It's going to be a minimalistic, very neutral painting. And I've got some very, very neutral, but yet very yummy colors. Let's talk about those colors. In these 2 cups right here is Modern Masters, and that's their satin finish in the Snowflake. I will make sure that I post in the description box all of these paints. We actually have 2 of these cups and 2 of these cups. This is Rustoleum Metallics and this is their Champagne. I love this paint, but I have a kind of off the beaten path cabinet here in my art studio, and all my Modern Masters and Rustoleum are in there. And I forget to open that cabinet. So I opened it this morning and was very much inspired by that. And these are going to be our base coat colors, as well as possibly going in our other cups. The plan is to do flip cups. I might do some sponge painting. I don't know. I might even add some texture later. I don't want to add the texture now because I don't want it to alter the flow of my flip cup when that paint travels across the canvas and hits that texture. So I might add bits and pieces of texture later on, either with fabric or molding paste, and then paint that with a brush. We will see how this turns out. Colors over here, equally yummy. This right here is very underused and I love it. It's Golden Fluids and that is their Raw Umber. Now this next paint looks like the Raw Umber, but it's a little bit different. It's a little bit darker. This is Van Dyke Brown in the Golden Fluids. Right here, another pearl, because this Snowflake has a little bit of a creamier look. This is a little bit more white. This is golden medium body, and that is their Iridescent Pearl. Yummy, yummy paint. And this next paint is amazing. I just hope that the green stays away. A lot of times when you use bronze, this is Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Bronze, it has a bit of a green undertone to it. And I'm hoping when it's married up with these really neutral colors that doesn't happen. Let's look at that consistency. It leaves a little bit of a trace when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick. All these paints are mixed the same. Everything got a healthy squirt of Golden GAC 800, and then my pouring medium for this was 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. So you've got about 1 part paint, healthy squirt of GAC, stir that GAC up into that paint really good, and then about 2.5 to 3 parts pouring medium. Stir that up real good. So I don't know what else I gotta tell you. I did a drip test with all of these paints, and the bronze needed just a squeeze of water, as well as one of the champagne cups over here. So drip tests are good. They're important, guys. I put about a pea-sized drop of each paint. Always include your base coat colors, because if anything's a little bit thicker, it's usually those, because they're in a bigger cup. So that's all my little tidbits today. Very minimalistic, some flip cupping, maybe some sponge painting, and just a little bit of swiping right about here, guys. So I'm excited. Let's get busy. Let's play.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? is to move on, to let go.
I can see it in your eyes, I can feel it in your touch, I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these broken pieces will be scattered in the wind. With it for far too long. Some people change when they grow old, but I don't want to say that you've been wrong, because I'm not that bold. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. We're just broken